Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to develop grit. Now, if you're new to this channel, I do want to let you know that this channel is about how to make money online in different ways. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe. And now that that's been said, let's get started. So, how do you develop grit? So how do you do that is doing the one thing rule. Now what I call the one thing rule is you have to do something that's really hard every day. So for instance, if you're really shy and you want to do something about it and you don't like the way that you're shy, the best way to do that is to go out and talk to strangers every single day. And it's not going to be easy. You just have to go out there and talk to people, random people in the street, no matter what, and just go out and talk to them. And that way, it's going to become easier and easier to do that. And the same goes with making money online. You see, in most of my videos, I talk about how you can make money by doing affiliate marketing, which in my opinion is the best way to get started. And not only that, but to continue making good money online. And to do that, you have to build either a blog or a YouTube channel. And most people are really scared of doing their first video. And believe me, I was. When I first filmed my very first video, there were no words that were coming out of my mouth. Like literally, I would turn on the camera and I wouldn't say anything, turn it back off, try again, same thing happened. And after a while, I managed to make a video. But it was not easy, and most of the people online that you see on YouTube that make regular videos had that issue at the beginning. But this was one of the things that I had to do to overcome it. I had to do this hard thing rule. And now I turn on the camera and I make my videos. I don't hesitate. I don't think about if I'm going to manage to do it for about 10 hours or hesitate to do it. I just turn on the camera and make the videos so that I can provide some value to you guys. So if you're scared of just filming or shy on camera or anything like that and you do want to make it, just try it. It's not going to be easy the first 2-3 videos, and after a while it's going to be easy. And that goes for anything in life. If you want to do something that's hard, just do it and it'll become easier and easier, and then you're not going to hesitate to do anything. So whether it's talking to strangers if you're shy, turning on the camera if you've never made a YouTube video and you're not comfortable on camera, and all these things are just things that you have to go through to make it happen. And you can work your way up to different things, but you just have to go on and do it, and it's just going to make your life so much easier. With that being said, I really hope that you like this video. Again, most of the videos I talk about on this channel are how to make money online, like real different ways that you can do that. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.